Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to discuss about the topic auditory pathway.
Okay, ma'am.
Explain an introduction about auditory pathway.
Fibers of auditory pathway pass through cochlear division of vestibulo-cochlear nerve. Major part of the auditory pathway lies in medulla oblongata, midbrain and thalamic region.
Okay, what about the receptors? Karen.
Hair cells in organ of corti are the receptors of the auditory sensation. Hair cells are of two types, outer hair cell and inner hair cell. All the hair cells are innervated by afferent and efferent nerve fibers.
Good. There are 3 types of neurons, and which are they? Nora.
First-order neurons, second-order neurons and third-order neurons.
Explain the first one.
First-order neurons of auditory pathway are the bipolar cells of spiral ganglion, situated in modiolus of cochlea.
What is second-order neurons? Karen.
Neurons of dorsal and ventral cochlear nuclei in the medulla oblongata form the second-order neurons of auditory pathway.
What about the third one?
They are in the superior olivary nuclei and nucleus of lateral lemniscus. Fibers of the third-order neurons end in medial geniculate body, which forms the subcortical auditory center.
Explain cortical auditory centers, Nora.
Cortical auditory centers are in the temporal lobe of cerebral cortex.
Okay, auditory areas are primary auditory area and secondary auditory area. Explain these.
Primary auditory area, which includes area 41, area 42 and Wernicke area, and secondary area, which include area 22.
Good. Finally, what are the functions of cortical auditory centers? Karen.
Cortical auditory centers are connected with the perception of auditory impulses, analysis of pitch and intensity of sound, and determination of source of sound.
Okay, students, today's topic is over. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.